My name is Devin, and I'm going to try to flip some furniture and some other items to try to help pay for my wedding in December. I got some chairs for free, so I'm going to try to clean them up, fix them up, and sell them and make a little bit of money. So here's what the first one looks like. You can see it's pretty nasty. It might take quite a bit of work. So I'm going to start off taping it up so you guys can see it before and after. I'll start off by spraying it with this Resolve high traffic foam. This is really good before you use a vacuum to suck it all up. Then just have to brush it in and let it dry. I bought this Musu portable carpet cleaner from Walmart, so I'm going to try it and see how it does. So let's add a little super cleaner to the water to fight some of those stains. Now we can start vacuuming. It took me a little bit more time than I thought it was going to vacuum up this chair with the small brush head on the top of the vacuum. But I would just spray the chair, let it seep in for just a minute, and then vacuum it right up. Here's what that nasty water looked like after my first initial run. I was amazed how nasty it turned out, but it definitely got it pretty good. So here you can compare both sides of the chairs. The left side is the side I did, the right side I didn't. Yeah, it'll still take some more work, and you can see me doing more here. And I probably did a total of 3 passes on the whole chair, so it definitely took some time, but the time was well worth it. It was satisfying to see this dirty chair come clean. Now let's see it pull up some of that dirty water. So here's how I staged the chair for Facebook Marketplace. I wanted to show everybody that the electronics worked, so I put this video on the Facebook listing. I was also given 2 pretty nice lamps, and in total I was able to sell the lamps and the chair for $100. So there's $100 going towards the wedding.